Hey everyone, this is Chris from Finatical. Welcome to your Flash Reports Quick Start. If you've been spending hours every month exporting data out of QuickBooks Online, reformatting it in Excel, and then doing it all over again in the next month, this video is going to change your life. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to go from zero to your first live refreshable report, pulling data straight from QuickBooks Online into Excel. Okay, let's go. First up, the install. All you do is in Excel, you head here to the Home tab, and here you head to the Add-ins tab over there, and then there you can see just your Add-ins tab opens up here, and all you search for here is for Finatical, and there you can see Flash Reports coming up, and you just click Add. This will install the add-in that we see over here, right? Let me move myself there, and then this installs this tab in that we see right over here. As soon as you click on that, you'll see this tab open up over here. But what you want to do is you want to head over here, and then the first time you log in, you click Start, okay? And then you come back and you click Login. And the login here will connect you, to your QuickBooks Online login. Okay, here I can see, so I'm just connecting using my QBO username and password. If you're connecting for your company and you're the administrator, you'd want to come here to the Company Connections page and then connect your companies to QuickBooks Online, or the one that you're wanting to use in your trial. So over here on the drop-down, you can see, and you just choose whichever company you want to connect to, and you click Next and just follow the process. If your company has been shared with you, so if you're a new user, but the administrator has shared it with you, then you won't need to connect, to QuickBooks, because you'll see that a whole number of companies have actually been shared with you. Okay, so let's get to the fun part now. Let's refresh some data directly here in Excel. So here, just select on Report, and here's a whole menu of various types of reports. Let's click the Quick Start button over here. And from there, just step through the menu and just click plus plus. Right, and we can even maybe run it here for last year. Let's drop this down and select it for the current month, right? So, or maybe just for this month. Click Process, and then this will create your data here directly in Excel. And so there we can see, that it has now got our formula in there. And then the beauty of the refresh here is that here, if you just change the dates at the top there, right, then we can see just your values, refreshing over here. You can also place your cursor here on B4 with a list of values, and then click Open, and then that will open up the periods here on the right-hand side, right? And so here you can toggle and then just make changes. There are a whole number of templates that we'll see here at the top here that we can step through here at the end, but let's just quickly make this report your own. So let's just say you wanted to do a last year, this year comparison that you wanted to refresh. So all that you would then do is actually just copy, column B over to column C. And then here, let's just say we wanted to do a variance, right? So I'm just going to type that in there. Both years are the same now, so I'll change this one to this year and then this one to last year. Right, so at the moment, both are the same. And then from a formatting perspective, let's just say we like that, and I copy that over. And then this one, I can change that one. I'm going to go and change that to last year, and then see how this refreshes, right, while keeping all your data intact. And immediately there you see, just a variance column refreshing, and then there we can see those values refreshing. So you really have made this report your own. Okay, so we've just scratched the surface of what Flash Reports can do. Here's a taste of also what's waiting for you. The brand new report pack that's available here under the Performance Center over here is that this will enable you to create a report pack with a cover page, index, commentary, and a full set of reports, all refreshable just with one click. So just when coming back here, there's a whole number of standard reports that you can step through, right, and various age analysis, and you can pull in columns and filters for for classes and all your other components as well. And if you're feeling adventurous, just maybe, just run the dashboard here just by itself. Another area also to explore from a learning perspective is our help function, is when you go up there, but also click on there on our YouTube channel and subscribe to the YouTube. And then here you'll see a whole number of videos that are available to you in various categories. There's some webinars and a whole number of series that you can explore from a learning perspective. And of course, we're available for you here at support at fanaticalsoftware.com, or you can also just contact your account manager. All right, let us know how your trial's going and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.